Hello, this is needlepointers.com. It is almost Valentine's Day, so I thought it was the perfect opportunity to show you how to make a no-sew fleece heart pillow. Many fleece no-sew pillows are made by knotting the fringed edge, which makes them lumpy and uncomfortable. Our no-sew heart-shaped pillow has no knots. It has a braided edge. Well, it looks braided, but it is really weaved. Continue to watch this video or go to our blog page listed in the video and description to see how to make it. You will need a ½ yard of fleece, a scissor, a marking pencil, and a ruler. Fold the fabric over about 11 inches, and we are going to make half of the heart shape on this side, and I'm going to just eyeball it. You could make a template if you wanted, but use whatever marking tool you prefer to do a heart shape on it. And I'm trying to do it the whole width of the fabric. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is we're going to cut it out. And you're going to be cutting out 2 hearts at the same time. Now once you have it cut out, if you don't like the shape, you can always reshape it a little bit. But I'm going to continue to go around and cut out my heart. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Might be a little hard for you to all see, but there's the heart shape. At the point of the heart, I'm going to cut out sort of a triangle piece. And I'm putting the markings this at 1½ inches on this side and 1½ inches on that side. And I'm going to mark it. And cut it out. Now, the next thing you're going to do is about every inch, you're going to cut it 1½ inches long. In other words, to this line. Now, you might want to draw another line along here so you know exactly how far to cut, and I think that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you then what it looks like once I've done that. Now, approximately every inch, you're going to cut up to that line. Now, when you get, I'm going to show you right away, I'm going to continue to cut, but I wanted to show you, when you get up to the top of the heart, you want to make the line go straight down, and then you're going to have to do a little wider here and maybe a little narrower here than the 1 inch, and go around like that. Okay, I'm going to continue cutting all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. As you see, when I'm cutting, sometimes the outside is a little wider than the inside part. It's because of the shape of the heart, and that's quite all right. Next, for all these pieces that you snipped, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back and do right along the fold there. You're going to do a little snip, and you're going to do it on both of them. And you're going to keep doing that all the way around the heart. And let me just show you. What you have is you have like a little hole in it, and you're going to do that on each of them all the way around. Okay, we're going to start to weave these together, and this is the bottom, and we're going to start partway up the one side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of the little strips on your right hand side, and you're going to put it through the little hole on the left hand side. So you want to just insert the corner of it into the hole and pull it through. Now this is the new one that's on the left hand side, so you're going to take the strip that's on the right hand side and put it through the hole on the one on the left hand side. And you're going to tug it a little, and then you're going to continue to do this all the way around, but when you get back near the beginning, you're going to leave an opening that's maybe 3 inches wide, because you want to put your stuffing in for your pillow. So just continue to weave this all the way around your heart pillow and leave an opening, as I said, about 3 inches, maybe 4 inches on the when you get close to the other side. Okay, I've weaved it all the way around and I've left the opening, and now I'm going to begin to stuff it with some polyfill. And you can stuff it as much or as little as you'd like. And when you do leave the opening, try to leave it large enough so that maybe your hand can go in, because it'll make it easier to stuff. So I'm going to continue to do that, stuff my pillow, and then I'll show you how to end it. When you have it stuffed, continue to weave as you did before the opening closed. As you see, I've done that. This is the last one. I'm going to put it through. Okay, now to end it, separate the two pieces, put one through the back hole on the first one that you weaved. Take the other one and we're going to tie a knot. Once you have the knot tied, you're then going to just poke it through to the inside. And there you have your fleece heart pillow finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to make a fleece heart pillow with a braided edge. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. To follow us, click the link in the video or in the description section. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free tutorials and projects.